how to take care and clean your AC air filter during the summer and winter month. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to go and check your air filters. If it's dirty, we don't want to throw it away. There's another technique, and I'm gonna show it to you how you can clean it up, reuse it, get another 30 days, possibly 90 days. But if you pay attention to this, you will save big time on AC filters. So come along with me and let's learn about taking care of the inside of the house air filter. If nobody doesn't know what a return vent is, that's a return vent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna go over to this off to the vent, unlock the pins. And as you can see, my filter is pretty clean. It's not that bad because I've been doing a good job of taking care of it. However, what I'm gonna do next is show you how you can make this pretty inexpensive filter take you for another 30 days or 90 days if you stay on top of it. So hang with me. Okay, here I am. Now I'm out in the garage. I'm out in the garage, and what I'm gonna do is lay that filter against the wall. And I'm gonna go over to my HVAC system and turn it on. And this is what I'm gonna do. Do not place it against the wall because the suction from the HVAC will be obsolete. You want it to be able to clean from the front to the back side. Take a look. Clean, daylight, all day long with your own shop vac. Okay, we're back. Now we got our filter clean. As you can see, that was very simple. What it allows you to do is to clean that dust and dirt off of the filter, which can help you to prolong that one filter for another 30 days or 90 days. This is for my women, so they'll know this and they can understand how to do it. But it's also for my guys. If you didn't know or you wasn't aware of it, now you are. So what we're gonna do now is install it back. As you can see, it's clean inside of the duct. Always remember, ladies, when you put this unit back, always follow the directions in the direction of the airflow. As you can see, the arrow goes towards the duct. Let's put it back, nice and neat. And you see that? It's in there. Take this back. And for the ladies, you lock this back. And now your system is ready.